In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the newest working Dress to Impress codes for the brand new Tokyo update in April 2026. This update has just dropped and it brings a lot of exciting new content into the game, including stylish accessories, unique outfits, and special items that you can unlock completely free by using these latest codes. Trust me, you really do not want to miss out on any of these rewards because most of these codes can expire at any time without any warning. Before we get into all the codes, I have something special for you guys to celebrate this brand new update. I am giving away VIP game passes to a few lucky viewers on this channel. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you never miss any future updates, and comment your Roblox username along with a short reason why you want VIP. I will be randomly selecting the winners, so make sure you complete all the steps properly because I will be checking. Now, the developers really went all out with this Tokyo update. They added a lot of brand new working codes that you can start using right now to unlock exclusive rewards inside the game. Some of these items are limited, so the earlier you redeem them, the better. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into all the working Tokyo update codes for Dress to Impress. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you do not miss any codes. And one important thing, if any code shows as invalid when you try to redeem it, make sure to enter it again and double check your spelling. Even a small mistake like an extra space or a wrong letter can cause the code not to work properly.